By the end of this course, you will build two production-grade RAG pipelines, one that uses company data and another one that powers e-commerce semantic search engine. This is Bharath Thippireddy. I'm a software architect and best-selling instructor. Over the last decade, I have helped developers master Java, Python, DevOps, and GenAI tools while working on hands-on projects. This course is for Python developers with experience on frameworks and LangChain, or for those of you who have completed my LangChain course. You will start this course by learning the key components that make a production-grade RAG pipeline and why we use Postgres with pgvector as our vector store. I'll walk you through the two use cases, that is the company knowledge base and e-commerce semantic search that you will be working throughout the course. You will set up these projects with the skeleton code on your machines. You will then implement a vectorization pipeline by loading different types of documents, splitting them into chunks and ingesting them into your vector store. You will implement a RAG pipeline and see how raw company documents turn into AI-ready knowledge. You will see why we need vector indexes, understand different types of indexes, and use them to make retrieval faster and efficient. You will then reduce costs and speed up responses by using Redis semantic caching. Evals is a very important part of every AI application. You will use Ragas and Langsmith to measure faithfulness, relevancy, and overall performance metrics of our RAG application. You will enhance answer quality by applying re-ranking so that the best possible context or chunks are passed to the LLM. You will also master how to use metadata during ingestion, retrieval, and more.